Welcome to Sonal's Food Channel. If you like my recipes, do subscribe for new notifications for the upcoming videos. Today I'll show you how to make ukdीचे modak. So let's start by taking a look at the ingredients. For outer cover, you will need 1.5 cup of rice flour, 1.5 cup of water, 1 teaspoon ghee, and for the stuffing you need 1.5 cup of fresh grated coconut, 3/4 cup of jaggery, and 1 to 2 teaspoon of ghee. Start by heating up 1.5 cup of water in a deep pan. Add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of ghee to it, and once the water is about to boil, put half teaspoon of salt. As the water starts boiling, add the rice flour. This is also 1.5 cup of rice flour, and just stir in order to mix the flour with the water. Once the flour is mixed, turn off the gas and cover this mixture with a cover and let it sit for 5 minutes. Till then, let's make the filling. So in a pan, put about 1 to 2 teaspoon of ghee, to which add 1.5 cups of grated coconut. This is a fresh grated coconut, not the dry ones, and add about half to 3/4 cup of jaggery, or as per your taste. Just mix it well and let this cook until the jaggery is nicely melted and the mixture becomes a little dry. Then take it out in a plate and keep it aside. While doing so, the flour has cooled down and now we can start kneading it. You should start kneading the dough when the mixture is little warm and hasn't cooled down completely. You can use some cold water also if needed, if the flour is feeling dry. Knead it well for about 10 to 15 minutes until it forms a nice soft ball like this. Once the dough is kneaded, take your steamer basket and apply some ghee or oil onto it, so that when you put modaks onto it, they don't stick to the bottom of the basket after steaming. Now everything is set, so let's start making the modaks. So take about a small piece of the dough and make sure that the dough is nice and soft and doesn't have any lumps, and then apply some ghee onto your palm and roll the dough again in order to make it further softer. If at this point you feel that the dough is still little dry or isn't getting together well, then knead the dough again for about 5 minutes, and you can use just little bit of cold water if needed. Now once the ball is all soft as you desire, then start making the modak by pressing down the dough as I am showing here, in order to form a small container kind of a thing, just like we do for paratha, so that we would be able to fill in the stuffing into it. So when you are doing this, if you find that the ends are cracking, then it means that you need to knead your dough further. If it's not cracking as you see here, then your dough is perfect. Press down so that it is even in thickness from all edges and from within. Once that is done, fill in about 1 tablespoon of stuffing into it, or as much as it fits into the dough you have made. Once you fill in the stuffing, just press down the edges as I am showing here, so that we get the nice modak design. Once this is closed, now after you have done the pinching kind of a thing, just try to close and form the modak. Keep turning it and keep closing it, then that is how you get this modak shape. And make sure that your top is completely closed, otherwise when you steam it, it would open up. So likewise, complete all the modaks and set them onto the steamer basket. Alongside, keep a deep pot with some water into it for boiling. Once the water starts boiling, then keep the steamer basket into it and cover it with a lid, and then let this steam for about 10 to 12 minutes or up to 15 minutes. And after about 10 or 11 minutes, open it and check for the doneness by just pressing your fingers onto the modak. If it doesn't stick to your finger, then it means it's done. But if it does stick, then steam it for another couple of minutes. And that is it. Your modaks are all set to eat. Let them cool down before you serve. Hope you have liked the recipe. Do give it a try and share this video with your friends and family.